Hi everyone, today's project is going to start with this rug that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm using the top side with just the black side. I also found these chalkboard stickers from KB Company, and they're also at Dollar Tree. And just look at the variety of letters and words. They also have numbers and exclamation points and periods, all in different sizes. So this was a great find, only for $1. So I'm going to start to peel off some letters, and the message that I'm writing on my rug is shoes off, Netflix on. It did take 2 sets of letters to complete my message because I needed another F. Of course, if you want to combine the large letters and the small letters, you could just use one pack. Once I've completed that, I'm going to take this beautiful wall decal from Main Street Creation. It's in a damask pattern. The sticker itself is white, and you get 4 of them in one pack. If you would like to use these decals yourself for your own project, log on to Main Street's website. The link is in the description box below. Just plug in the discount code Indira20 for 20% off your entire purchase. They have this decal and many more to choose from, so definitely check out that link and don't forget to use the promo code for your discount. So I'm using all 4 of the stickers from this pack, and I'm putting the large ones together just like you see me doing here. But then I also decided to take some of the smaller stickers that come with the pack and place them across the bottom. Of course, you don't have to do this. I just thought it needed a little extra something, and I thought that was the perfect fit. Now I'm going to take some of this clear quick cover, also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover the entire front of the rug with the clear cover. Thankfully, there are grid lines to help you keep the line straight while you're cutting. So I'm just going to peel back the backing and place it right across the top of the rug. You do want to smooth it out as you go, which is why I enlisted the help of the ruler to help me get out as many air bubbles as possible. Then you want to cut the corners. I did that to all 4 corners, and then you want to turn it over. Now this material is adhesive, however the adhesive is not very strong. So initially I thought, okay, I'll just fold it over and it will stay down. Well, it did not stay down, so I ended up having to use my good old friend hot glue. So I've hot glued 3 sides down, and I have 1 side left to go, so I'm just going to show you how I did it. So if you see here, when I fold it down, it no longer stays closed. It pops right back open. So that's why I have to use the hot glue. So as you can see, I'm being very sparing with it. I'm not putting gobs and gobs of hot glue. It only takes a little bit, and be careful if you're using high temp hot glue. And then I'm going to go along the back and make this design on the back. You don't have to make this design. You could just do a bunch of dots, and it's just going to add an anti-slip texture to the bottom so the rug doesn't move around. And our rug is finished. As you can see, time to take it outside for a road test. So I left it outside for a while, got nice and dusty, and as you can see, it's just that easy to sweep up. Very nice for outdoors. And even if it gets wet, you can just wipe it down. If it gets muddy, you can just wipe it down to clean it. I do recommend keeping it in a shady spot if you're going to keep it in a patio area, or you could choose to use it in the kitchen as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to log on to Main Street's website. Again, that link is in the description box below, and use the promo code Indira20, all one word, to get 20% off your total purchase. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Thank you for joining me for today's project, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.